Welcome everyone to Easy Tech Tips with Beconable. Today we're going to give some easy tech tips on YouTube. Alright, first things first to get started. Easy way for you to change your volume up and down. You can normally, if you go over to your volume here, you can very easily just drag and change your volume here. You can also quickly mute and unmute by doing that. But if you want to change your volume without having to do that, you just have to press the up and down arrows and it will go up by 5% or down by 5%. You can also mute and unmute very easily by simply pressing the M key on your keyboard. That will mute and unmute. If you want to fast forward and rewind on a video, you can very easily do that again. Normally you can just click and drag to the spot in the video you want to go to. You can also just click and jump to that spot. If you want to quickly jump back and forth 5 seconds in a video, you can rewind and fast forward by tapping the left or right arrows. Left will rewind by 5 seconds. The right arrow will fast forward by 5 seconds. This can come in handy if you're, trying to maybe skip an ad or something. Not that I encourage that. You should always watch your ads, support your creators. Or maybe I'm rambling too much and you want to get to the point where I'm getting to the next thing. So that's easily just skip forward until I'm not rambling anymore, and it'll take you right to the next tip. The next tip I'd like to give is for pausing and playing your videos. There's a couple different ways you can do this. You can obviously click down here at the play button, and that will pause and play. You can also hit the space bar, which will pause and play your videos. And you can also hit the K key, which will pause and play also. So those are all available options to pause and play. If you want to bounce back and forth between full screen, you can go down here and you can just click in the full screen menu and click it again to go out of full screen. You can also press the F key and that will also put you in full screen. You can also exit by pressing escape, that key that will also take you out of full screen. There's always many different ways to do the same thing. If you ever can't remember these hotkeys, if you hover over without clicking each thing, it will tell you. So play is the K key. If you want to mute or unmute, it's the M key. It doesn't really give you one for the volume, unfortunately, or the volume up or volume down, other than the mute. And then again, your full screen F. So it will tell you some of the shortcuts. A couple bonus tips for you as well. I'm not going to give you direct links to these for obvious reasons. I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube land or the powers that be with Google. But if you ever wanted to download the YouTube video, rather if you want just the audio for something, or if you want the video, if you search for MP3 or MP4 or even just audio or video YouTube downloader on Google on your favorite search, doesn't have to be Google. You will find several online websites that you can go to. You copy and paste the URL into that and it will generate it for you to download locally, so you don't have to do it through YouTube if you need it for a project or something else. Obviously ask your content creators for permissions on these things because these can be copyright infringements. You don't want to steal people's hard work, so just keep that in mind. I do want to make that disclaimer. You can also use ad blockers if you want to. I know that some of the security and updates to Google has made ad blockers not as efficient anymore. But what I like to do, and actually people don't realize it sometimes, is you can combine blockers. So I will actually pair up Ad Blocker Plus, and these are out free. Ad Blocker Plus and Ublock. Search those in your Chrome extension. But if you go to your Chrome extensions, you can search in the Chrome extension store for Ublock and Ad Blocker, and you can install those. And those, I find those are pretty good at adding or blocking ads. And that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you found it useful. And again, as always, if you've enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. That always helps me grow the channel. I'm going to be putting out more and more videos as we go on. If there's anything you'd like to see, comment below in the videos, let me know. I read those as much as I can, and I'll definitely try to come up with some other videos for you guys that you find useful. Thanks again for watching.